If I lost all my makeup, these are the top 5 products I would go buy immediately after throwing a temper tantrum, crying, and throwing up, because I love makeup. I'm so blessed to have tried so many products. If you want to see my top 5 products that I recommend, I love, and I would go buy immediately, let me show you guys how I got this new makeup look using my top 5 products. Let's go. And thank you so much for being here. Hi lovers, welcome back to my channel. This is like a good way for you to start a makeup collection as well, especially if you're a beginner. So let's get to it. I have a lot of discoloration on my face, so number one obviously has to be concealer. This concealer has not left my makeup bag ever since I got it. This is the Tower 28 concealer. It is so good. It is so creamy. It doesn't crease up underneath the eyes even if you don't like put any eye cream or anything, and looks like skin but better, and you can also layer up. I love this concealer so much. I have like 3 of these and I'm not even kidding. I finished one already. Look how beautifully it blends. It quite literally is giving skin but better, and just brightens and just looks so nice on the skin. It doesn't oxidize, which I also really love. And if you do leave it on for like a minute or two, it does get a little thicker, so it becomes even more full coverage. I think this is light to medium coverage. We love her so much. I think brows make the biggest difference. Brow gel is a must because I think it's like one of those things that make the most subtle difference on your face. It really does frame your face. I really love the Rare Beauty and the L'Oreal brow gel. And this is a perfect like everyday stay in place type of brow gel. I would say that whenever you put this one on, make sure you wipe off any makeup you have on your brows before putting it on, or else it's gonna get like white and creasy. I feel like you could just leave the house with just brows done, lashes curled, and a little bit of concealer, especially if you have like discoloration like myself. Number 3 is actually lip liner, which is kind of shocking. I thought it would be blush or bronzer, but it's not. Lip liner. This is from Kulfi. Dude, I don't even know how to explain this formula. It is so, let me show you guys. It is so insanely creamy. I just put a little bit, and you can just blend it out if you want like a super natural, and it does not like come off even after you eat. It is so good. It's like a mix of lip stain and lip liner. I don't like, it's so good. And this is actually one of my favorite products at the moment. Sometimes I don't even wipe it off. Even with the lip liner, I can of course create bronzing effect with this. This is definitely number 3 for me, especially this Kulfi one. They did a really good job with this formula, and they're really stepping it up. So I'm really excited to see what other products they launch. But this is definitely like one of my favorite makeup products at the moment. I also like to use this as like a nose contour because it is so precise, and also it does not wear off. Number 4 is this blush. This is not the Road. This is a dupe, and this is actually from Century 21. They also have it at Marshalls and TJ Maxx from what I saw. This is from the brand from Ruby and Millie, New York. I'm shocked that this made it to one of my top 5 rather than like a high-end blush bronzer. It is so good, so creamy. I haven't tried the Road. I do want to try the Road just so I could compare it, but I am so pleased and satisfied with this that I love it. This never leaves my bag. It is so like, look at that. It is so pretty on the face. It's long lasting. This is like the perfect bronzer blush, and I love it. And it was literally like $6, and it came with another like baby pink one, which my nephew literally drew on the wall and destroyed. Yeah, it was a really hard moment for us, but yeah, love this so much. And honestly, like, look at how natural and beautiful it looks. You cannot tell that this is literally $6 on my face. This is definitely better than some of the high-end blushes I've tried. The formula, the long-lasting effect, it's just so good. I love, and I would go immediately and repurchase this. Oh, and then let's put a little bit on the lips. Literally feels like lipstick. It looks like lipstick. The last and final product is this. This is a L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray, the 3-second mist. It is really that good. I'm sure you've seen ads about it, and I'm here to confirm that it is that good. Literally hairspray in a bottle just for your face. It's setting spray I use every single time I do my makeup, no matter the occasion, because I don't want my makeup to transfer. I want it to last long, and I don't want to touch up my makeup. This is insane. I recommend this to everyone. You gotta shake it, and you can scrunch up your face because it will set in those scrunched up areas. So just put it far and then set it for 3 seconds. So literally that. 3 seconds because, you know, 3 seconds, that's how it works. This is a final look. This is all the makeup that I would go buy immediately if I lost my makeup bag. God forbid, we're not manifesting that. I honestly love and I recommend these products to everyone, and I personally would go and buy immediately if I lost my makeup bag because they're that good. It really does the job, and you can always, like, you know, I can put a little bit of eyeliner. Maybe I should put a little bit of eyeliner, but I love this lip liner because you could just use it as an eyeliner as well. So good. Yeah, love, recommend, enjoy it, and I hope you found this video helpful. Please do subscribe, leave a comment below if you want to see my top 5 body care, skincare, whatever you want. Let me know, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Take care. I love you so much, and always take care of your mental health, loved ones, and yeah, bye.